Let's walk through here. They've got a ton of things. Oh, they also have this. Remember, we're looking for 3 main things. What are those 3 things again? A black sheet, black gloves, and black straws, right? And I'll also mention, whatever we don't find out here, I'll probably just order off Lazada, man. Let's go all the way down and loop through. Oh, there's more bottles here too. Get back around to them. Better backpacks. Wow. Maybe I should use a backpack as I walk around instead of this.
What about this one?
Nah, it's got this little weird brown thing on it, dude. What is that? Don't rip it off, because then we gotta buy it. What's the least expensive one? This, $4.90. That's not much the bag I'm looking for.
You're looking for a backpack?
Kinda.
Hi, sir. You want a backpack?
Oh, you work here?
Yes, sir, but what are you looking for?
Oh, I was looking for a backpack, but now I'm looking for you. Ikaw. Ikaw.
Oh,
Ikaw. What is? Oh, it's a coin pouch. And what's this one then? A bill pouch? One's for coins, one's for bills.
Huh? What would you put in there?
What else would you put in there?
Like,
Bills.
no.
What else? Keychains?
Yeah, or maybe tickets.
You would hook keychains and tickets like onto here. What do you mean anoba? Anoba to yourself.
Like, whatever the factory want.
Only got ghoulish activities with this one. Look at her wanting to fight. This is nice and lightweight. 690 pesos, which is what, like 12 USD? Yeah, 700 pesos is 13 USD. These are all pretty heavy. This one's lightweight though. I like how lightweight it is. And it's got plenty of pocket space as well, yeah. You could even put a laptop in here too. This could become my new travel bag. It's so lightweight. I have a black one already. It's supposed to be anti-theft, but it's also anti-storage. It's barely got any space in it. Do we see any other better competitors? Nah, nothing else is that lightweight.
What this one?
Oh, this one's also pretty light. Same price. Well, this one's a little bit more. This is like 14, 15 USD. And it comes with this little fanny pack. It is heavier though. These are gonna get drenched with sweat. This does have a better space for like a water bottle to the side. This one's, it's so small. The water bottle can easily slip out if you go to the side. This one's not. But then again, you were suggesting I get one of those bottles or one of those backpacks that has a water bottle to it. But if I just get this, I can get a pouch. Yeah, get a pouch, squeeze it in there and just have the tube come out. I'll trust my gut. I'll stick with this one. If I don't like it, I'll just get another one another time. Oh, there's these things. You remember these? Hand grips. There's 2. One for me, one for you. I guess I really don't need these. Oh, a yoga mat. So you can have more YouTube content for your new channel since your last one got hacked.
Yeah.
This is for home. You just poke another hole in it? Oh my god, dude. Now we have to get it. Alright, let's keep looking around. I'll hold on to it for now. You need these. You need to learn how to spell. We could use these for me learning to Gaelic. Oh, she's gonna like some of these. Look at her, like a moth to a flame. Don't act like you're not interested. What are you smelling it for? In case it smells like factory. Banikalo. Although that one looks a bit weird. Look, these are closer to devil horns. They match you better. I've got to go snake this way anyways, because I looked around here. You could stick around the other side if you want to. Should I get some of these? White Crocs? These look like heavy duty ones, and they're nowhere near big enough for me. Yeah, for comparison, here's my current slide. So it's a little bit larger than these ones. Some shades. Don't you owe me a pair still? If I'm ever getting more shades, I'm getting from Baobab Eyewear. Oh, here's sheets, but I don't see any black ones. Oh, these aren't quite sheets. They're like tablecloths. That would still work, but I needed black. Yeah, none of them are black. What are these?
Rainbow.
Oh, these aren't too bad either, though. How much are these? Oh, they're 200 pesos. Maybe. This is like 4 USD, 4 or 5. What's this one? Oh, this is the whole fit. I don't need the whole fit. I'll be classy with an umbrella for now, I guess. What? Oh, makeup stuff. Of course, you'd get giddy over all that.
Oh,
It's around here. Rags and rugs and socks. Yeah, I don't really need any of these. Oh, look at these things. Don't let Ara see these. She already has a pair of bunny ones, but she's gonna want one of these when she sees them. Oh no. Here she comes. These? That's for all your makeup and stuff? You need one? Oh, that's sewing kits. Oh, they do have more of these. Wait a minute. Let me stock up.
Got 3.
We already got 3?
Yeah, you got some from SM.
Oh, I completely forgot. But these are red and black. These look cool.
Yeah, you got red and black.
Oh, they already got red and black?
Ano ba?
I'm getting
These
one
are
more.
orange.
I'm getting these 2. Whoops. I'll get these 3. I don't think I need 3. You said this looks good? I don't really like black and yellow though. Black and yellow, black and yellow.
That's not yellow.
That is yellow. What is this? What color is this? Come here.
Green.
Green?
Olive green.
Olive green?
Yeah.
Alright, this is yellow. Alright, what color is this?
Yellow.
Like, dude, these are stuck together, man.
You got me both of them.
I'm trying to. There we go. I just wanted to unstick them. Those are hangers this way. I'm gonna snake through here anyways. Yeah, nothing for me. Oh, there's more bottles. All right, Kavo. I summoned thee. Some more bottles here. What kind of bottle do you want? You need your own. That one's pretty big. I don't know if it's gonna fit underneath the water thing. That one's also pretty big. If you don't mind like holding it there, but I know for me it gets annoying. So I figured for you it'd be the same. That one's not too bad. You don't want this one? Yeah. Yeah. Look, it's got a strap. It's got a strap. Yeah. This is not too bad either. Look, these are all good. If you don't mind holding it there every time you refill it, then you're fine, right? That's why I switched out my bottles, just because I had to keep on holding it.
It's got handle.
Yeah, but I mean, when you're gonna refill it, you're gonna have to just hold it there as you refill it. If you don't mind, then go ahead and get it. It's just for me, it was
too big.
It might be. I don't know. How many pesos is it? It's 250. We can just get it, and if it's too big, then I suppose you can give it away.
Okay na to. Cute.
Okay, while she's shopping for that, I'm gonna keep looking around. What's in this aisle? Nothing that I need. What about this one? This one's got more containers. We don't need those types of containers, but we could use more for like makeup and stuff, man. Her stuff is everywhere. Oh, look at this. A beer mug. I'm not gonna walk around with that though. Oh, here's a better glove, man. But I got some of these before, but the other ones I have suck. This one's rubber with more grip. Oh, they've got red on there, dude. That's beautiful. Let me get two. Oh, this one's a long one. Look at these. They've got rubber, so they've got more grip. There's also this one, but I felt the rubbers would be better. Oh, to slap me? You wanna have a slap war? Alrighty, these are good. Gustoco? Alright, we'll get them. We should have brought a bag, man. Did you end up getting them? Oh, you got that bottle. Watch out. Better walk right into people. Oh, there's her cabinets here. We could use these if she's gonna start living with us, then we could get things like this. That would be perfect, right? But I still don't know if she is or not. It's still up in the air. And I'm not gonna walk around with that.
She got her bottle.
Yeah, we have to wait to see how much stuff she's got, and then we'll know how much extra storage to make. Oh, here's a little cart. This is perfect. I'll just carry around this. Oh, there's a car with it. It's just like Robinson's. All right, can I put this in the bottom somewhere? Not really. There we go. Do we need more containers like this? Oh, you're thinking big bins. It's just the type of one we need? Alrighty, if you say so. I don't fully pay attention to it, so I really don't know. Do you think this DIY song is copyrighted? All right, I'll leave this with you. I'm gonna keep looking. Look at the full fit. Oh, you know what? How high does this go? I literally can't move this side, never mind. You could just get grass here too. Should we have grass in the condo? Put it right in the inside in the middle. Oh, this thing's not bad. What is this, a little cart? It's only 410 pesos here. This can be very good for when shopping and you have a bunch of heavy goods. Because I kind of just carry them around, but having an extra 2 wheels would be very nice. And there's this one too. How much weight can these hold? It doesn't really say. Look at these.
For the laundry bag.
I wasn't thinking laundry, I was thinking for SM. Yeah, it extends. You have to unhook it first. See, and then now it comes out.
Ew.
How does it lock? Oh, there you go.
Nice.
Brake under too much weight though. But it's pretty cool though, right? Those wheels look a little flimsy though. There's no way to screw them in. What about those wheels on that one? Is it the same? Yeah, they're both the same. Girl, how did you do this?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? Oh, there it goes. These would be good, but we don't need them right now, so I'll pass on those. There's more bags and stuff. Oh, here's a cushion for the chair, man. I was gonna order this, but if they have it here. Oh, these are very soft. And then this side is a bunch of car stuff and car parts. Although, hold on, there's also seats down here. Oh, never mind. I think these are for cars, right? Yeah, that's the wrong type. So which one should I get? Okay, this one's gonna get flat very easily. This is like the same material as the current one, but this red one here is very soft. This might be what I'm looking for, because I end up sitting in front of my PC for hours on end just editing. What about this one? Oh, this one's not bad either. What the world? Catwoman? Or you more so rice woman? Cat rice. Excuse my racism. Which one of these feels better? Well, this one's softer, but since it's softer, it's gonna get flat very easily. But this one's got a bit of sturdiness to it. My heart's telling me this one's gonna work out better based on experience. But add this to the cart. Shove this one back in here. You really want this little cat thing, don't you? How many pesos is it?
Try it on.
Let me try it on. I've got a whole camera on my head. How does it even go? What do you mean, oh?
Cute.
Where's the mirror? Hold on. This is what it looks like. It looks so goofy. Sure, we can get it. Is there any other ones, or is that the only... Oh yeah, I only see the cat one. That'll be for you when we travel. Oh, is this a sheet? No, it's a bag. Alright, suppose we got everything we're looking for.
How are we gonna carry those?
That's what I was gonna say. We're gonna have to carry these around. These are lightweight. These should be fine. Hello? Oh, I got all that. Do you guys have a shopping bag we can buy? Oh, yes. What's the biggest one you have? That one? Yes, yes. That's a pretty cool one too. Yes, this one's a bit, how are you so tall? Oh, yeah, I'm not stand on that. I was gonna say you get a bit shy when people ask you questions. There's also a laser pointer. We don't have cats, although. You're supposed to chase it. There's a little... All you do is just bite and claw. It's not bad though. It runs out of batteries real fast, and it's a pen.
Stylus.
It's actually pretty nice. I can keep it in my vlog bag in case it's needed. Oh, there goes the bag. These ones are taller versions of it, but I like the small one. That price is stacking up. Oh, I thought each of these was like 1,047 or 1,500. I was about to say, we gotta put some stuff back. Oh, I can put them on the bag, okay. I'll wait until afterwards, because I'll do like a total count at the end. This can actually go in the big bag. Where did that come from? All right, how much do I owe you? 3,319. If I convert that currency here, that's about 58 USD. Did we even get anything that I mentioned at the beginning? No, I didn't think so. That's gonna be rough to carry around, right? Alrighty, that works, sure. What I'm thinking about doing is putting some of these into the backpack and then walking around with it. So then this can go in here. Thank you very much. You're not full. Alrighty. Okay, let's get a pit stop over here. Jeez. So we did all of that and we didn't even get what we really wanted, man. That's why I don't like shopping. I buy too much junk that I see. Okay, take this out. Where's the backpack? Okay, here we go. Here's the backpack. Let's open this bad boy up. Put the bottle in here. This thing opens all the way up too, which is pretty nice. Although if it does get heavy, then it's gonna default to trying to open all the way up. So I really wasn't thinking too much, man. That's one of the problems I have with my other bags. But you can just lay it flat. Yeah, look at that.
Oh, wow.
Throw everything in here, including our little pen. Although my pen's going in here, man. Keeping that on me. This can go in here. And we should be able to stuff this in here too, this little Catwoman thing. Oh yeah, and that can go in there, right? So it usually goes to the side here. Yeah, there we go. This. Here, can you fold that up for me, please? It is not folding the way. There you go. I was like, why is it not folding? I can set it right there. Yeah, this is very lightweight. You want to walk with it? You look like a student. I can walk with it. It's fine. That's what I'm here for, man. The men walk around with all the stuff. It's hard to take this thing off now, but it locks it in place. There we go. Backpack on first. That on next. I always have this on over top. Alrighty. And this is pretty light. So let's see it in there. Sure. Let's keep on looking.